Hi, I'm Mehrnaz Sabet. I'm a third-year Ph.D. student in information science at Cornell. My research specifically is on drones and aerial autonomy, and what that means is that as these drones are getting increasingly integrated into the airspace, and we want to make sure that we increase that automation on board the drone in a way that is safe and it enables the humans to trust these drone systems. So what I'm looking at is that how can we advance the drone's onboard autonomy in a way that I can navigate by itself while it frees the humans to focus on more specific and important tasks, specifically during time-critical operations like search and rescue after disasters. We've talked with around 150 industry experts, and the reason we are doing that is that in this field, people who are working in academia are looking at problems that are not necessarily translated into the problems that the industry is facing. We want to enable these collaborative spaces where the industry can kind of initiate these projects for students to be able to look at the problems and to develop solutions for the challenges and the problems, so that we can enable more rapid advancements in the field of autonomous systems. Hopefully in the future I can change the industry for autonomous systems for the better.